Gesture Drawing by Alexander Rishkin. With the necessary knowledge and adequate drawing skills, you will be able to make a sketch starting from any point of the figure. For example, from the top of the head down to the neck, outlining the shoulders, marking the torso, and depicting the legs. A sketch might be laconic or with many details, depending on how much time you have per pose. The muscle memory of your hand will work in tandem with your mind. This is where autopilot comes from. It is only possible when you do hundreds and hundreds of fast life-drawing sketches after you have spent hundreds of hours making long studies of figures from life. Here is a fast gesture sketch that uses both methods, the linear system and the tonal drawing of volumes. As you've seen, this sketch took me about 100 seconds. Nevertheless, the figure is proportionate, the pose is recognizable, and the direction of light is easily detectable.